the tripod there.
Into the air. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Alan found an embryo in the field one day. Big.
Good. Right.
Oh, okay. That's sweet touch.
That ink, that's the ink that we're using on the ears.
So it stays inside of the. Is that the ink in my suitcase?
Yeah.
Is it? Oh my gosh! I got branded. You're like, you didn't even recognize it.
I phoned my mother this morning to ask her, what is this? She said, it's the shoe polish, the polish that you asked me for. And their
These
birth
are
weight
going to
was
heifers
around
this week. These are heifer bulls.
30 to 34 kgs on birth weight. I'll tell you now what is that in pounds.
And these were raised within 50 miles of here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's very thorny bushes that they were raised in. That's red water, hard water. You can't, it's the most.
I think he's feeling good.
Watch this, dude. Watch this.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I saw that.
That's how you practice in this mountain.
So you wouldn't let your grandkids do this on your lawn.
I would have shot him.
Yeah, yeah.
Now. I don't leave cars that are dead.
They're kind of wild in South Africa, you know. They have a wild side to them.
Yeah, he's just about coming over back.